Happy Wednesday, Wednesday. We are here with our recipe of the day. Let me just pull you up here so I can interact with you guys. And we are live. Here we go. How is everyone today? Hey Denise, and then my sister, Gary. Hello, get over here on Instagram. Hey Instagrammers, how's it going? Today, happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be making yummy sweet potato balls. And my sister is on today. We have made these before for holiday. I don't remember if it was Thanksgiving or Christmas, but one or the other. And it is quite an adventure in sweet potatoes. We had a suggestion from our cousin, Jeff, for sweet potato marshmallow dish that was something that's really traditional for holiday meals. But we have a twist on that we have made before that I thought would be really fun. So we are going to go ahead and make those, and we are going to mash. I've got sweet potatoes here in the bowl that are all cooked and ready to go. We're going to mash those with some sugar and stuff. Then we're going to put a marshmallow in the middle of the ball, and then we're going to roll the ball in coconut, and they will be ready to go. So very exciting and yummy. I just roasted some pecans before we went live here, so I'm going to chop those a little bit while we've got you on live here. Hey Lisa, how are you? How's it going? I had a few pecans that I had in my freezer, so I just pulled them out and roasted them a little bit in the oven just for about 10 minutes or so to get them, just let their flavors come out, because I'm going to use them here as another option on the coating with our coconut. So very yummy. So how is everyone today? Hey Jill, how are you? Welcome. I think I have to give a prize for my most loyal watcher. Love seeing you. So we're making sweet potato balls today, and I'm just chopping up a little bit of freshly roasted pecans I just roasted, because I like nuts in my things. I'm going to make some with and some without, but I'm improvising here on this recipe just because I do like nuts with my sweet things here. So I'm going to put them on here because we're going to roll away when we start rolling these. Hey Heather, welcome. How are you today? Yummy. Okay, fresh roasted chopped pecans on the plate. So here we go. We are going to start here with our sweet potatoes. And in here I have roasted sweet potatoes that are all ready to go here. And I'm going to give those a mash. Yum. Always looking for a new twist on the traditional things. I also picked this recipe today because if you're at home with younger kids, this is a really fun activity that could keep you all busy for a little while. And if your kids don't like sweet potatoes, maybe they will after they try this, after they make fun balls with marshmallows, because they know there's a prize in the middle. Okay, so sweet potatoes mashed, you can see the bowl. So in there we are going to sweeten them up a little bit, because you know sweet potatoes aren't sweet enough. And I'm going to put in the brown sugar, 2/3 of a cup, and the juice and the zest of an orange. So my organic orange here got donated to this recipe. So here we go. Orange and the zest. Remember when we made these, Fool? And the nutmeg. So we're going to do a little bit of nutmeg. This calls for half a teaspoon. Hey Natalie, how's it going? Welcome. We're making sweet potato balls today for our Easter side dish week. See my new Instagram? Oh, they can see too. I got an Easter lily you can get every year, and they had beautiful ones. So I got one. I was very excited to get my Easter lily because it's still going to be Easter week, even though everyone's home and not having big parties. So I'm going to go half a teaspoon. I'm going to get too crazy with the nutmeg. A little bit of nutmeg goes a long way. So there's a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then that's it. We are going to mix this away, get the sugar mixed in to our orange juice, orange zest of one orange, and the nutmeg. So yummy. we're making sweet potato balls. So in here we've got our brown sugar, sweet potatoes, nutmeg, and orange juice, and the zest. Zest always really important. I always put this zest in pretty much always when I'm making something with citrus. So these are nice and mashed with our flavor. I'm actually going to put a little bit of salt in that just because it's just a big pile of sweet potatoes. I might even put a little bit of pepper just because, improvising on the fly here. Since we will be the only ones eating these, I think, we put them, drop some off, do another front door drop off. So I'm going to do a little salt and pepper in that. And mix that in until the fun begins, the ball part. I'm going to take off my wedding ring here for this part and get ready to go. I just washed my hands. I am all clean. And we are going to take, this is 2 cups of sweetened coconut I have here in the pie pan. And we're going to take a teaspoon, I believe. Yes, a teaspoon. Get the top off cinnamon. A teaspoon. Hey Rhonda, how are you, girl? We're going to have a birthday shout out later for somebody special. Of course it's a new cinnamon. Didn't realize I should have grabbed a different one. Okay, teaspoon cinnamon into our coconut. Put that in, and then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Yes, Rhonda, thank you for being at the office. Appreciate all you do for us. Essential worker that you are. Okay, so we've got sugar and cinnamon and sweetened coconut. Now for those of you who love coconut like I do, yum! Okay, yummy. So now we have cinnamon sugarized our sweetened coconut and toss that around. Ah, yum! And we are ready to make balls here. So, put this away. And I'm going to take a marshmallow, the regular s'more size, and we're going to take some sweet potato, and we are going to make a sweet potato ball. Ooh, baby. Yummy. So enough sweet potato to cover your marshmallow there. And then we're going to take our ball, and we're going to roll it in the coconut. The lime in the coconut. Okay, sweet potato ball. Yummy! And we're going to line them up here in the bowl. I'm going to try one with pecans.
Throw me one of those.
Well, oh, Gary wants a marshmallow. My director / crew. Oh, I've got a whole big crew here. Does all the jobs. My crew of 1. Who does it all? So here we go. Number 2 on the sweet potato ball. Hey Cheryl, how are you? Sweet potato, roll it in the coconut, and I'm going to roll it the other way in the pecans, just to see how that goes. I thought that might be fun. Ooh, yummy. So there we go. Oh yeah. Killer. So there's one with nuts, and one with just the coconut. So yummy. So I'm going to sit here and make some more sweet potato balls, but thought I'd give you a creative new way to make the sweet potato with marshmallow on top dish for your Easter side. Let me wash my hands real quick because we have a fun giveaway today. So hang on a second. Okay, hands clean for the time being until I come back and finish these balls. We have a special, let me get my birthday hat. Special birthday shout out today to Rhonda Holden's mom, Maxine. Happy birthday, Maxine. Hope you're having a great one. See what they have planned for you on the virtual birthday. But this one, shout out from me to you. Happy birthday, lady. And then, want to see our giveaway today? Hey, Susan. Rhonda, you're so funny. Okay, the giveaway today, very exciting because I found toilet paper. Doo-doo-doo-doo. So we have a 4-pack of lovely double softest TP for a giveaway today. And wait. A package of paper towels, because who knew they would be so in demand? Our neighbors got us some paper towels, so we are set. So I am going to pay it forward here today, and these are going to be front porch drop-offs of the paper towels and the TP. So.
And the sweet potato balls.
And the what?
Sweet
and the sweet potato balls. Yeah, I will be dropping these off to somebody who has more in their Easter brunch family than 3. So let's see. We'll go in my little dish here. Now everyone's in. Everyone who has liked or commented on these cooking videos is in the, hey Nicole! Oh my gosh, Nicole, your puppy. The cutest thing ever. So cute. Of course, I can only imagine what it's like to have a puppy, but at least you guys are all home to play with it. So in the, would you like to draw?
No, that's okay. We may be on our way to Kentucky.
Oh, to Kentucky?
You got somebody from Kentucky in there?
Oh, I do? Oh yeah, for our front porch drop-off, we'll see if one of our East Coasters wins. Who needs TP and paper towels? Let's see. Okay, get one. We're all stuck together. Oh, Aaron Gill, lucky winner. Ding, 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 ding. So we'll see if you need paper towels or TP. And if you don't, if you're stocked, you can pay it forward in your neighborhood to somebody who does, or a neighbor who can't get out and shop was what I'm thinking here. So Aaron Gill, congratulations. And get another one out of here, all stuck together. So let's see who we've got here. Lindy Matheny, the big winner. TP or paper towels. So I don't know if you need them or not, but you won. And if you don't, you can pay it forward. Lucky winner, Lindy Matheny, greatest business partner of all time. So I have a public service announcement today. I heard this, I have not done the full research on this yet, but I have heard that if you wear glasses like me and you're wearing a mask, they get all fogged up. Hey Sheila, love you baby. They get fogged up. So if you take your glasses and you put them in the foamy kind of shaving cream, the foam kind, that you rub your glasses in the foamy shaving cream and then you rinse them off, they won't fog up when you have your mask on. So who knew? So I will be trying that, but I haven't tried it yet. So anyone that's tried it or is having glasses and mask problems, that is your solution from what I hear. So let me know if that works or not. Then the other thing I heard that I wanted to bring up today was I just heard, I don't know, on the radio somewhere that the Chinese divorce rate after this pandemic has gone through is skyrocketing. So I just want to reach out and let people know to just hang in there, that, you know, this too shall pass. But I was really sad to hear that. You know, one of the things that people ask Gary and I the most after all these years is how we work together. Oh my goodness, how do you guys work together? And I always think it's a strange question, but then I heard that statistic and I thought, you know, I mean, Gary and I are together so much and have been for so many years and successfully work together that it's just kind of a natural thing for us to be home together. We're just working like we normally do. But for people that are struggling, if you are, go get your beach chair, go put it out in your backyard or on your patio and sit back and call somebody. Reach out and talk to somebody that you can trust and call somebody who's going to breathe life into you. You know, don't call your friend that's going to be like, oh, rah, rah, rah. No, call the person that's going to breathe life into you and your family and your kids that you need. So don't wait. You call me or call someone. You know, I wouldn't say that we are experts in any way or professionals, but we have walked through a lot of hard things and a lot of hard times with our clients. So reach out to someone is all I can say. Don't end up a statistic after this. So we love you guys and thank you for watching, and I'm going to make some more balls here. And let's see, I've got, oh, Rhonda says you can also spit on your glasses so they don't fog up. As a scuba diver, I guess she spits in her mask.
I think that was before COVID-19.
Oh, that was before COVID-19, Gary said. So anyway, thank you for watching. We have another great Easter side dish on deck for tomorrow. So if you have any Easter side dishes you want to share from your family favorites, please send them in. And we're going to be doing this every day in April at 3, so live at 3. So if you have any other family favorite recipes that you want to share, please send them in. I'd love to make them. And I really appreciate everyone watching. I love all the comments and the texts I'm getting. It's really fun. And remember, the only two things you can control are your attitude and your effort. So pick a happy attitude and make the best of every day and be grateful for the little things. And we will see you back here tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Thanks for watching.